Easy Notes magnetic board is my signature product. And the kit comes, the notes, red magnets are sharps, blue magnets are for flats, and you can move to change. It comes with a booklet to explain to you all the usage, and a marker pen. It's a dry erasable marker pen that you can write on this and to wipe it off. There are many unique features, such as the treble clef, the G clef. There's a dot right on the note G, and the bass clef, F clef. There's a dot right on the note F. So if you pull it out, that's your G and F. For beginner students, it's very helpful to learn G and F as well as to locate. And it's good to have the keyboard on top to coordinate with the staff. Now the middle C, I call them twins because it's shared by the treble clef and the bass clef. So you can easily put the two middle C on the top and G and F. So if you have the two thumbs share the middle C, and your fifth finger will fall on G and of the right hand, and the fifth finger of the left hand falls on F. This I call the starting notes, the key notes. And many of the books are starting with these three keynotes. You can use the board to do dictation, to do reading, all sorts of theory work. Let's say do a dictation. So C, D, E, G. But let's say you want to do some kind of a rhythm. Then you can go and this all comes in a kit to wipe it off, and so it's quick and simple to do that. You can do key signature. For the sharps, F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. Note F, C, G, D. This key signature comes in 3 rows. And we learned the intervals well, so starts out with the F. And then you just simply go fourth down, go to the second row, fifth up, and fourth down, go to the third row, fifth up, and fourth down. And by doing that, you can easily do the bass clef. So F, fourth down, C, fifth up, G, fourth down, go to the next fifth up, E, F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. And it's by doing this, indirectly you learn the notes as well. And you can easily just wipe it off. Now let's do a scale, a G major scale. Very easy to set it up, and just the 5 black keys. Especially if you are in a classroom situation, you do not have to go around and check, because the red is a sharp and the blue is a flat. It's so clear and obvious. So we're going to take this F to a F sharp. That's your G major scale. Or you can put this F sharp in front for the key signature. Go from a G major, go into a G minor scale. You lower the third, B to a B flat, E to a E flat. But now you don't want to confuse the student saying G minor has 2 flats and 1 sharp. That F sharp is accidental. So is the 7th note raised half a step. So what you do is really stack the red on top of the black keys, such as F, raise half a step to a F sharp. Again, the keyboard can help you to distinguish this. So this is your G minor. You can use this board to learn chords, chord progression, and inversion. Now here's your C major chord. And it's easier for a student to see how the inversion works. Well, actually the first inversion is simply move the C to the top. C, E, G becomes G, E, G, C. Actually, the second inversion is really to move again. But I find students, when you first make the inversion and then you turn again, they get very confused. I would prefer the second inversion to be turn it down. In other words, turn it down is the same thing as turn up twice. So CEG becomes EGC and becomes GCE. And it's very good to have the keyboard right on top, so you can show CEG, you move the C to the top. And for that matter of fact, I think it would be good for you to give you the fingering 1, 2, and 5 is for the first inversion. The second inversion is GCE. So this is root, first inversion, and second inversion. In fact, sometimes when you teach a very young child, first inversion doesn't seem to make any sense. I simply say the C major chord turn up, and second inversion is turn down, G turn down. Look for fourth. If the fourth is on top, is turn up. Fourth is down below, is turn down. Top of the fourth, which is C, is the name of the chord. Here is the fourth. Top of the fourth is C. So that's the name of the chord. Down the road, when you learn this turn up, turn down very clear, then you can mention that turn up is first inversion, turn down is second inversion. Let's learn about the different kind of chords. This is C major chord, C minor chord with E flat. And the color, the blue, indicates it's a flat. C minor. C, E flat, G flat is the diminished chord. The red, G sharp, is an augmented chord. So you can do dictation or to learn about these chords. The color helps you to remember the chords a little better. Now, of course, say if you want to really learn without the color, you can always use the marker to write C, E, G sharp. But I feel that is quicker with the red and the blue to indicate the sharps and flats.